Guys, welcome to my vlog. Let's go vlog. Let's go. I'm so laggy. Sorry. I'm so lag. So lag. My Wi-Fi is McDonald's Wi-Fi here. Can I steal cars here? I don't know how to buy a gun. I'm just starter. Or beginner. I officer. Happy New Year, officer. Is your partner dead? Is your partner dead? Hello? Is your partner dead? Excuse me, Grinch. Can you move away? Please. Wait a second. Yo, Grinch! Get away! Yo! That was a bad driver. I'm gonna waste all my money. Oh my god, it's so fucking loud. Okay, I just... Okay, I will buy some cars here. What should I buy? Uh, uh, this one, guys. Should I buy this? Kinda cool. Man. What? Wait. What the fuck is this? Hey, yo! Should I buy this or this? This one is cooler, guys. This one? This one or this one? Or this one? I'll buy this. I will buy this. I like cars. I like this one. So I will buy it. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Is this cool, guys? Is this cool? Yo, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Yo, get out of the way. Hey, get out of the way. You stupid police. You don't know how to drive your car. I'm the laggy, guys. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, guys. I'm just playing on my mom's phone. Because my phone broke because of being stupid. I don't know how to drive. Just kidding. Guys, tell me where to go. Oh shit. Where is the gun shop? I will to the gun shop. Look at me. Because of driving, but slow at doing chores. Is this? Guys, good or not? Kinda fast. This police doesn't chase me. I'm going on 124 miles per hour here. Don't worry about my English, guys. Oh my god, this is completely lagging my game. Okay, let's go park here. Let's go park here. Something. We're gonna park somewhere. Because Tell me where am I going? Hey, bro, why can I? Why can't I? Sorry about my voice, guys. Wait. Oh my god, I hate driving. Can I sell this? I hate driving. Of course, I hate driving. Guys, it's promo code. What do promo code do? Guys, how do I play this game? This game. How do I play this game? I'm not a criminal, I'm just an innocent bystander. I'm just saying shit. I don't know. I don't know why I'm saying this shit. But let's go driving at checklist. Hey, what a nice interior. Oh shit. This is a nice interior guys. Do you Hey, yo, stop giving me money. Oh my god. Where do I go, guys? Should I go back? Wait. What up, my game is crashing because of lot of police. Bro, shut the hell up! I don't need the bod to repair my car. Guys, I'm going to reckless driving. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, guys, where do I buy guns? Tell me. Man! What the hell? Are you serious? Now I am stuck. How do I rob places like? How do I rob this shit? Hey, there's a lot. How do I? Also, I the panty like that. How do I do this? How do I do this, man? Oh, you need to have. Oh my god, I don't know how to play this game. Can you teach me how, guys? Nebula D20 Plus Ultra. What kind of phone are? I don't want to speak my language. What the hell, man? Why can't I hit that X? Hey, stop. This is my car. Haha. Haha, noob, noob, noob. I see. Oh my god. How do I steal cars? Holy man. Bro, got stuck. Haha. Hey, Mr. Policeman, can you help me how to rob a store? It's not my car too. How do I play this game? So I can punch like that. Okay. I'm gonna punch you. Yeah. I'm just gonna go spawn. What the fuck? Sorry about that, YouTube. Sorry about that, YouTube. I can't handle my anger because of this lag. Now I have a great sentence.
Step out with your hands up.
No, shut the hell up. You never catch me alive. Ha 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 ha. Bro, what am I even saying? Wait. Bro. What the fuck? Oh my god, why this guy killed the officer? I'm just talking to the officer and he killed it. I just wanted to... Where do I buy one? What the hell is this officer doing? This is a dumb officer.
This is your last warning.
Shut the hell up. Okay, I'm gonna end this video just by a couple minutes. Okay, guys. But don't worry, I will make some videos too after this video. But I will check if I can. Oh my god, what is this police officer doing? What is this guy doing? Saying? Ross, do you know how to speak or speak? I won't reveal my language, okay? I'm just speaking my I hate it. Fuck. Well, what the fuck? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing here. That's the most. Wow. I want this car. Bro. Sina boy. Are you fucking serious? Wait lang to. Okay, goodbye guys. Oh, goodbye. Just comment how do I buy guns. Just comment. Okay, just comment. Tell me how to buy guns, man. Okay? Goodbye.